Hello everyone, let's crochet this cute Mickey Mouse and we need to, for this, just yarn, whatever color you would like, scissors and hook. So yarn I use this kind, and it's better for hook number 2.5, 3.5, but my hook is 2 millimeters. It's absolutely okay. And it's cotton 100%. So for the beginning we need to take the yarn, just a moment, and we will start with magic ring. To do the magic ring, we will put the yarn through our finger 3 times. You see, I took the small, like the our end, and take around it, and then I put our hook under 2 of yards and take the third one through both of them. Then I turn my hook back to the same direction I take from the yarn, and I make a loop, take the yarn again, and now we are ready with the beginning of making a magic ring. In a magic ring we need to put 6 single crochet. Single crochet look like this. You take the yarn and then take the yarn through both of loops again. Take the loop from the hole and loop through both of them. So now we have 2. Let's make again 2 single crochet. We still need to make 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops. We take our hook out and start to holding our crochet and start to pull from our end, and you see one hole start to be a little bit smaller. That's why I take this loop, which is smallest one, and pulling it until the biggest one start to be smaller, and then continue to pull the other end. And now we don't have any holes there, and then I returning hook inside our crochet and continue. The next row will be increase in each loop. It will be 12 single crochet in the end. How to make increase? You need to put 2 single crochet in the same loop, 1 single crochet, and the next one again, 1, and the next one at the same loop, and again 6 single crochet done, or 3 increases. There are 3 increases left, so at the same loop, and this is our 10 single crochet, and now 12. Still need to make a 12 one. Done. So it's look almost the same, and now we need to do 4 slip stitch. How to do slip stitch? You put your hook through the loop, take the yarn, and instead of taking the yarn here, you continue holding this yarn through the loop we already have. Is our slip stitch. Then we continue the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And now we need to do take the yarn over our hook and put 4 of the same stitch in the same loop to make the ear. You see how I did this again. We just finished slip stitch. I put our yarn around the hook, then I put our hook inside the next stitch, take the yarn here, and then I have 3 loops on my hook, and I take the yarn and put it through all of 3, and I need to put in the same loop 3 more. Take the yarn from the stitch, and then through 3 of them again and again. Then I need to do 2 slip stitch. Here is our next stitch, 1 slip stitch and another one, and in the next stitch I need to do the same as we did for our previous ear. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we continue our mouth with the 4 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And at this point you can cut the yarn. Yeah. And I will show you how to hide all ends we receiving. It's look almost similar, but not really for now. Just taking our hook through the next stitch and then through the stitch trying to hide the yarn. The same, taking the next stitch, taking our yarn, going through the next one. It's possible to make with needle, but it's also possible to make with the hook. And then I continue in a different direction. You can hide the yarn whatever way you would like, but it's how I prefer to do this. And the last one, I think it would be enough. And then we can cut the rest. And now we need to hide this end. For this end I took my hook in this hole and take the yarn from here. Took the yarn from here, then in the next hole and take on another side. Like here we make from loop to loop, and this one we will make from we're making from side to side. Yeah. And the last one, and then cut the yarn. And now we are ready with 3 Mickey Mouse. Well done.